Welcome back to the Kushtka channel, everyone. I got a update for you. As you see, I'm not in the driveway or the garage today. I am at the trailhead, and that's Pig behind me because we got Pig up and running. Pig, the Alaskan Overland Rig, 2001 LB7 Duramax crew cab long bed dually of the GMC 3500 variety. So if you've been following the last few updates videos, which I really like recording because they're on my phone, there's no editing, nothing special. I just directly upload it. Super easy, super fun. So if you've been following the updates, pulled the heads, I rebuilt the heads, and I put in those Lincoln Diesel Specialties 45 over sack nozzle injectors, and got everything put back together, and holy crap, it is a different beast now. I port and polished the heads. I rebuilt the turbo, gave that a port and polish on both sides, compressor and exhaust side, put in a aluminum billet compressor wheel, port matched that to the up pipes, port matched the up pipes to the manifolds, put on that BD full bore driver's side exhaust, and put on a KB diesel performance downpipe, port matched that to the turbo, of course, and then all that's running out my 4-inch MBRP exhaust. It is a freaking animal. Normally I run this on the PPE accelerator on stage 2 or tune 2, which is 90 horsepower, 120 pounds of torque, 160 pounds of torque, I think. I'll have to double check. And it pulls like an animal, but when I put this thing back in stock tune for the initial startup, it pulled like it was on tune 2 with the stock tuning. So that's how much of an upgrade it is. Shouldn't be too surprised because I think a 45% over nozzle or injector is around 90 horsepower anyways. So 90 horsepower on the injector, 90 horsepower tune. It works out. It works out. But I wanted to give you a little startup and show you that it runs and let you listen to it. So I'm going to go ahead and put the key in here. Let's see. Oh, better clean my lens. We're doing a fuel mileage test right now too. That'll be included in that video I was just recording. We got 26 miles on this tank. Everything's running nice and cool. Go ahead and pop that hood. Very beautiful where I'm at right now. Hello, baby. I don't have the mud guards in yet, so you can still kind of see everything. There's that full bore. Let's check out the exhaust. Exhaust clip if I can. hopefully that worked out. Let me see. I don't know if you actually heard anything or see anything. Looked like it may have turned around. Hold on, let's try that again. Gotta love the sound of that LB7, baby. Gotta freaking love it. Alright. Well, everything turned out better than expected. I had a little bit of issue, but I'll tell you that in the video when it releases. I already went over it, don't feel like talking about it again. Just wanted to give you an update, show you that it's running, and let you guys know that I will be working on the full teardown videos now. I gotta do all the editing and piece it together, so you'll see this fully every step of the way, how I took everything apart, all the port and polishing work, all the turbo work, reviews of the parts and everything, overviews, so you can see how everything went together. But for now, I just wanted to give you a little bit of a preview, so you can just see. I'm gonna go ahead and get you turned around, and we'll just do a little cruise. We're not gonna do anything crazy. Okay, we're on a windy road up in the mountains here, so I can't do any launches. Plus, I got a camper, so just turned around. EGTs cool down pretty quick too. Pretty freaking fun. It's a windy road, so I'm not gonna go real crazy, but she just wants to get up and go right now. Climb up this hill. Oh yeah, shitty road, shitty road. This whole road needs to be redone. But yeah, guys, just wanted to give you that quick update. Super happy with it, super happy everything got put back together, everything works, nothing's leaking. No longer have the overheating issue. This mountain was the big test, so I drove all the way to the top and did not overheat at all. Everything stayed well within parameter. Ooh, check it. See that? Mountain way across there. It's Mount McGinnis. Definitely climbed to the top of that one. Oh, here's a good pullover. Alright, pull over, talk to you for a minute. Yep, climb that mountain. That's the valley. I live kind of towards the base of that mountain, the one with the big tit. I live at the base of that in that valley. So, yeah. That's the update. I'm going to get out of here. This video is almost 10 minutes long as it is. So, hope you enjoyed it. This is for those die-hard Acoustica subscribers who have stuck with me and who are curious to know what's going on with Pig. I haven't forgot about you. Took me a little bit to figure out that, yeah, I can do these update videos and not really spoil anything. I can just, you know, give you guys content, keep you in the loop so you know that I'm not slacking, you know that I'm doing stuff. I got a lot of content to put out for the next couple of months now, so I'll be pretty busy doing that, which is good because the weather's changing, so it's about to snow on us. So if you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing. Check out some of the content I already have for you. There's already over 100 videos, most of which are on this truck Pig. Some of them are on my Chevy Silverado K1500 1992 OBS variety with that Chevy 350 in it. That's getting rebuilt next. I got some on the old Yoda, got some overlanding, some camping videos, but primarily this is a do-it-yourself truck video, camper video. Also rebuilt my camper a couple of times, so that's looking really nice now. I can't wait to take it out camping. Probably take it out, I don't know, probably tomorrow and again this weekend. I got a couple days before I have to go back to work, so now that everything's back together, just want to enjoy it, get out there again. So yeah, happy. I'm happy, and stay tuned. Got a bunch of stuff for you. Puppies are tired now. Yeah, he's already sleeping. It's a good little hike. Alright, hope you're having a good summer. Hope you're staying productive. Hope you're getting things done. Hope your truck's running. If it's not, if I can help you out, I will. If there's a video that I have on it already, I hope you find it. Hope it helps you out. Hope you get your truck back on the road. And hope to see you out there sometime. Later, guys.